So this is the problem statement for this dojo. So I'm just gonna go over it very quickly. So JJR is a multinational corporation that has recently decided to migrate all of their applications to the cloud. And because the cloud is such a dynamic environment where servers can easily be replaced, they want to use an application scheduler. JJR's DevOps team has been doing a POC with Kubernetes, but they agree that Kubernetes is unnecessarily complex. After attending HashiConf Digital this year and meeting you, a Nomad expert, JJR's DevOps lead was adamant that Nomad could be the application scheduler that they were looking for. So you were hired to build the following POC using Nomad that showcases running containerized and non-containerized workloads, scaling application processes, service discovery, applications health check, load balancing, and canary deployment. So let me go over the solution now. So this is the proposed solution, right? So basically what we're gonna have is we're gonna have a Nomad cluster. We're gonna have a single server and a single client. In this client, we're gonna be running a front-end application. So we're gonna have 5 Docker containers, and all of these containers, they're gonna be behind a load balancer. In this case, we're gonna be using a tool called Fabio. And in this cluster, we're also gonna be deploying Consul, and that's how Fabio is going to be able to find the front end inside the cluster and start serving traffic to it. And we should be able to reach our front end from the web browser.